Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new series. In this show, I'm going to teach Sunny how to play Bee Swarm, which is one of my favorite games. So please enjoy. Sunny, what do you think of my fabulous bee army?
They keep stinging me.
This is Freddy, my homeboy.
Stop dancing on us!
Don't mess it up!
Come to the amazing digital circus!
Isn't it a field, though?
So basically you have to collect pollen and make money, or honey.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Come to the shop.
What's that?
You don't know what a shop is. Get in here with me. Eat eggs.
Okay.
So you have to make honey by pressing make honey and it will make honey.
That makes sense. What do we do now?
A NPC usually says something.
I have a quest for you.
Tactical nuke incoming!
So that was the first episode of Bee Swarm.
Wait, we're making more.
Like and subscribe and we'll make editor do more.